How cool is this? This is rolling down from the top here, and you can have a scene. I could have the scene in a small closet if I wanted to. What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine over at Geekazine.com. We're here over at the Scenico booth, and we're talking about the LED rolling floor displays. They got floor displays, so you have something you can walk out all over. But this guy right here, this is what's super amazing. This is what I really love, is this is a rolling LED display, and it's so small, you could put it into a small room. This booth is, I think, about 4 by 8, and it's taking up only this much. Now, these are the panels that we've got, this display. Also, for the floor LEDs that they have here, you can see, you can put it on a back wall, and I'd say about 1.5 to 2 feet. That's how much you need for the distance from the wall. So smaller studios are going to be perfect for this. You'll be able to, as long as you get a little bit of distance for your head. I could zoom in. Let's zoom in now. There we go. I'm zoomed in, and as you can see, although this is rolling up, maybe we'll do it a little bit later. So as you can see, what it does is you'll be able to put whatever behind. It looks like they're displaying a Windows desktop, and the roll down, and they're just showing some straight up pictures. So you could find some images, create some images through Photoshop or anything like that, create some video. And of course, this one's only about 2.5 feet wide, but once again, these are very modular panels, so you could probably get 3-4 panels long. Of course, if any of these panels starts to go bad, you just replace this right here. Once again, this is the Scenico LED wall. Prices vary on how long, how wide you really want to go. If you go to ScenicoLED.com, you'll find out a lot more over there. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. We got a lot more action over at NAB 2024. You can find it over at Geekazine.com, YouTube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification so all those YouTubers get their wings. And until next time, you guys geek out and get yourself a nice little LED wall for your bedroom, for your study, for your whatever.